Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how Excel table is created and how it is useful in organizing and analyzing the related data. If the data is converted into a table, then it makes easy to sort, filter and format the data within the sheet. Now in this sheet, we have employee data arranged in a tabular form. To create a table, we have two options. Select any cell within the data and press Ctrl T. It will open Create Table box. The data is already selected, which is visible in the Create Table box. Click OK and the data is converted into table. Second option is select any cell in the table, go to Insert menu option and under Tables group click on Table option. Again, the data is automatically selected, which is visible in the Create Table box. The data already have headers and therefore we will keep the checkbox selected. Click OK. The data is converted into table. The header of the table is showing filter drop-down options. Go to name box and if you select the table name, the table data will be selected. To change the name of the table, go to Formulas menu option and under Define Names group, click on Name Manager option. Now in Name Manager box, select the table, click Edit button and change the name to TBEMP. Click OK. Close the Name Manager box. Now the table name is visible in the name box. In table, when the data is scrolled, the headers are always available. This is useful when we have a long list of data. Now in the tables, we can sort and filter the data. To sort the data by employee name, click on drop down next to employee name column. Click on sort Z to A. The data in table is now sorted in reverse alphabetical order. To filter the data by department, click on drop down next to the department column and click on select all option to uncheck all options and now select the required options. So I'm selecting finance and HR option. Click OK. Table is showing all finance and HR resources sorted by employee name. To filter the data further on location, select the drop down next to the location column. Click on select all option to uncheck all options and select Hyderabad and Lucknow location. Click OK. The table is showing all finance and HR resources from Lucknow and Hyderabad location sorted by employee name. To display the count or sum of the filtered rows, click on any cell in the table, go to Table Design menu option and under Table Style Options group, select Total Row option. Now table is showing sum of phone number in last column. To change it to count, select the cell which is showing the sum, click on drop down and select count option. Now it is showing count of visible or filtered rows. Similarly, select the cell in salary column in the total row, click on drop down and select sum option. The total row is now showing count of rows under phone number column and sum of salaries in salary column. If you change the filter option, so I'm selecting IT in department, click OK, the total row will update accordingly. Now remove all filters using Ctrl Shift L option. When we are working in a table, adding a new column or data is easy. In the example sheet, if we add a new column called bonus and press enter, the format of column will be changed according to the table. If bonus is 10% of salary, then we can use table reference and Excel will do the calculation for all the rows automatically. So for the first row, type equals to select salary of the employee, asterisk sign and type 0.1, press enter. Now bonus is visible for all the rows automatically. Once you create the table, you can refer the table in any formula or Excel functionality. For example, to create a pivot table, select any cell in the table and go to Insert menu and click on Pivot Table. The table range is showing the table name. Select Existing Worksheet option and select a cell in the same sheet. Click OK. So I'm creating a pivot table using employee name and grade. Now, if you add a new column or row, the table will expand automatically and you don't need to change the data source of pivot table. So add a new column ready to relocate. Now click on the pivot table. Currently, the new field is not added. Refresh the pivot table and the new field is visible automatically. If data is not converted into table and if I add a new column, then if you refresh the pivot table, the new column will not be added automatically. In this case, you need to update the data source of the pivot table. You can refer the table in formula also. Select a cell, type equals to sum, open bracket, write the table name, bracket sign. Now it will show all the fields of the table. Double click on the salary field, closing bracket for sum function and press enter. Result is the sum of all salary values. Similarly, in Vlookup function, you can refer the table name. So type equals to Vlookup, open bracket, select the lookup value, which is employee ID, comma, specify the table name, comma, 3, comma, 0, closing bracket, press enter, and it will show the department of the selected employee ID. So in this way, you can use table name in any Excel functions. To change the design of table, select any cell in the table, go to table design menu option and under table styles group, select a style. It will change the style of the table. To filter the data, you can add slicer on tables only. It means to add a slicer, the data must be converted into table. So select any cell, go to the insert menu option and under filters group, click on slicer, select the required field, click OK and it will add a slicer. To convert the table back to the normal range, select a cell inside the table. Go to Table Design menu option and under Tools group, select Convert to Range option. In the dialog box, it will ask whether you want to convert the table to a normal range. Click Yes, and the table is now converted to a normal range. In this video, we have learned how we can create a table and how we can use the table reference in any function. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and share your feedback and queries in comment section. Thanks for watching.